Alright guys, this video is about how to make your Naruto X Boruto game running at 120 FPS in the game. So basically first you need to download a software, an app called Lossless Scaling from Steam. Basically you buy the software. It's called Lossless Scaling and it's for $7. And after you purchase it, all you have to do is open the lossless scaling and set the frame generation into LSFG 3.0, and I chose Multiplier 2.75 because I wanted to run it at 165 FPS to match my refresh rate of the monitor. Then you turn on your game, and once the game loads up, you want to activate lossless scaling, set your hotkey, and once you set it up, you can activate it inside the game. I think it is Control-Alt-S. Yes, so once you activate it, now the game runs at 165 FPS like how I set it, and you will have a smoother gameplay. And that's all. Have fun, guys.